how to swipe or go back on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you are new to iPhone, then this tutorial is perfect for you. So, I'm going to show you how to swipe or go back on your iPhone. So, the back button is not a physical back button. So, what you need to do is I'll open up something, I'll open up the next thing, and now let's say I want to go back. Then just tap on the screen and slide your finger to the right, and then there you go. It's simple as that. So you can open something else and do the same. Just slide your finger to the right. So this simple gesture works in almost all the apps. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.